Understanding, Conceding the Race, a guide to English phrases. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English phrases and idioms. One phrase that often confuses learners is conceding the race. It's a powerful expression with roots in both sports and politics. Stay with us as we explore what it means, how it's used, and when you can use it in your own conversations. Let's get started. At its core, conceding the race means acknowledging defeat before the official outcome is announced. It's a form of admission that one cannot win. This phrase is commonly used in competitive situations, especially in politics and sports. When a candidate or athlete concedes the race, they are essentially saying, "I recognize that I cannot win this competition." The term concede comes from the Latin word concedere, meaning to yield or give way. Over time, it has evolved to signify the act of giving up or admitting defeat in a contest. The phrase, conceding the race, has been popularized through its frequent use in electoral politics, where candidates concede defeat to their opponents as a gesture of goodwill and acceptance of the democratic process. Although it originates from specific contexts, conceding the race can be used metaphorically in everyday situations. For example, if you're in a friendly competition with a friend to see who can complete a task first, and you realize you won't finish in time, you might say, "I'm conceding the race. You're obviously going to beat me." It's a way to gracefully acknowledge that you've been bested, without any negative connotations. You might come across conceding the race in newspapers, online articles, or even novels. Politicians conceding an election or athletes acknowledging their loss in a sports event are common instances. These examples help illustrate how the phrase is used in formal and informal settings, making it a versatile addition to your English vocabulary. Understanding phrases like conceding the race enriches your English learning journey, offering you deeper insights into the language's nuances. Whether you're engaging in political discussions, watching sports, or simply enjoying a friendly competition, knowing how to use this phrase can add depth to your conversations. We hope this video has shed light on the meaning and usage of conceding the race. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more useful content. Keep learning, and see you in our next video.